Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to change Outlook password. So the first step is to simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then simply click on my profile. Then you're gonna get redirected to this page. Now as you can see here you have this change password in the top right corner. Now if you can see this button, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to security. As you can see here on the left side you have all these buttons, so simply click on security, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply wait until this page loads up and then simply click on change my password under password security. As you can see here, you can see when was the last update made to your password. So as you can see, it was today for my account. So simply click on change my password, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply add another email address just to protect your account, and after that you're gonna be able to change your Outlook password. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.